Film actor Sara Ali Khan posted pictures online after visiting the holy Kedarnath shrine. Soon after, she was a victim of vicious online trolling. A virtual mob descended on her timeline, calling her a kafir for being named Sara Ali Khan and visiting a temple. One troll lashed out, saying, "Lanat hai tum par, Sara." Sadly, this online virtue police, the moral brigade, was conspicuous by its silence. Is outrage then religion and perpetrator specific?
She's the actor who starred in the Kedarnath movie, playing the rebellious daughter of a Hindu priest. Bollywood actor Sara Ali Khan recently retraced her stint with the successful movie, shot near the serene hill shrine in Uttarakhand, with a journey of faith, visiting the tranquil Kedarnath shrine with fellow star Janhvi Kapoor. And when Sara decided to post her Kedarnath experience on Instagram through images of her posing with Hindu deities and a board saying Jai Kedarnath, she had to face the unimaginable. Heaped with vicious bigotry, trolling and Islamist hate, vulgar abuses, charges of insulting her Muslim faith and posing with symbols of kafirs or non-believers, even threats over acting like a Hindu. Some of the abusive attacks also referred to her parents, Saif Ali Khan and Amrita Singh, who had chosen an interfaith union. While similar vicious bigotry had sparked massive outrage in the cases of Mohammad Shami and Virat Kohli recently, there's been a conspicuous silence except for negligible outrage over Sara Ali Khan. While some of the abusive posts now stand deleted, there are many others which still dot Sara's Instagram handle. Just weeks ago, Sara Ali Khan also faced brutal trolling for wishing Home Minister Amit Shah on his birthday on Twitter. Will those who condemn trolling in general come out in support of Sara Ali Khan, or is the moral police selective as usual? Bureau Report, India Today.
The nation rightfully stood by Mohammad Shami, but is the silence on Sara Ali Khan disappointing? Joining me on India First is Amber Zaidi, an outspoken social activist. Monica Verma is a political commentator. My first question is to Shoaib Jamai, president of the Indian Muslim Foundation. Shoaib Jamai, why this vicious trolling of Sara Ali Khan? Is she wrong for visiting the Kedarnath temple, sir?
First of all, let me make a very right commentary about this, that this issue of Sara Ali Khan trolling has been brought deliberately to neutralize a severe case where Virat Kohli's daughter has been threatened with a rape threat by the social media Twitter users from the Indian origin. I believe that
Sir, rightfully it is condemned. It is rightfully condemned, but yes. Why must you begin with an apology and a comparison? Is there a fear in your mind, Mr. Shoaib Jamai, to criticize or Lord, as the case may be? The issue is Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan ko mandir jana chahiye ki nahi jana chahiye?
No, sir. I don't think so. Sara Ali Khan trolling is a bigger issue than...
Irrespective, you don't decide what is a bigger issue and what is a smaller issue. I'm asking you a straight question. Himmat hai, to uttar do.
No, if you see the magnanimity of both these cases,
you are scared to answer. Admit you are timid. You are timid. You are timid. You will not answer. क्यों? एक मुसलमान लड़की, एक सारा अली खान जिसका नाम है, वो मंदिर गई. सही है या गलत है? सही है या गलत है?
Okay, sir. See, I am not a guardian, not to guard upon the deeds and acts of Sara Ali Khan. I don't know who is she. Is she believing in the basic principle of Islam or not? I don't know. But if you see the larger perspective and you ask me about
you are going to the larger perspective, like some people who deflect from the issue at hand. But Amber Zaidi, should it not be Sara Ali Khan's choice? Because my debate today is on Sara Ali Khan. Shoaib Jamai is scared perhaps to answer. Or he doesn't want to answer, or maybe he agrees with the trolls. Maybe he's part of them, but that is not my point. Amber
And you
Zaidi,
didn't give me
should
enough
Sara
time.
Ali Khan's, is
You
it
didn't
her
give me
choice,
enough time to
rules
answer.
of religious
I was just about to
institutions,
answer
whether an
very,
individual
very
can visit or not?
genuine
No,
question
no,
of
hold
you.
on. Shoaib Jamai, I asked you a question. I gave you an opportunity to answer. You deflected. Let me see if Amber Zaidi deflects, or does Amber Zaidi give a straight answer? Who is to decide whether Sara Ali Khan can visit a temple or not?
Exactly, Gaurav. That is the question. That Sara Ali Khan was born out to a interfaith couple, now divorced, Amrita Singh and Saif Ali Khan. Amrita Singh is a Hindu. Also, her paternal grandmother, she was a Hindu too. So, what is wrong if she is embracing her Sanatan roots? And she is a regular visitor of Hindu shrines. Like last year, also she visited Varanasi, and also she kept visiting the local temples like Balaji and other temples around the Mumbai. And one thing is that when you mentioned that when people were outraged when Shami was trolled. Also, that Shoaib Jamil also mentioned that Virat Kohli's daughter were threatened by rape threats and all. I don't support the idea of anybody is getting rape threats. And also the Delhi Women Commission's chairperson has taken the sumo to action in that case. Also, the matter has been like taken care.
Okay.
But now
No,
the
and you are
point is
absolutely
that
right.
when
Call
Sara
out
Ali Khan
every
is-
troll.
Sara Ali
Call
Khan
out
is-
every troll. Lekin Shoaib Jamai ki
And
himmat
people
nahi
talk
hogi
about, like,
to call out those who are abusing Sara Ali Khan. You know, that's the tragedy. Call out every troll. Expose every troll. Put every troll in jail. But Monica Verma, calling her a kafir, calling Sara Ali Khan a kafir, or saying
Should I
lanat hai
respond?
tum par, and
Should I
worse,
respond
some
to
of
the
these,
Jaideep
some of
comment?
what was said online has been deleted. But ma'am, is this acceptable? Monica.
Absolutely not. Forget what her religion is or what her parents, practice in the name of religion. All of this is secondary to her individual choice. We live in a country which is a secular country, so-called secular country. We just saw how, every left liberal stood for Muhammad Shami and his right to exist and his right to practice a religion. But what happened to them when something like this happens to a young woman like Sara Ali Khan? And Gaurav, just to remind you, it's not just Sara Ali Khan who's right now facing outrage and who's facing all these abuses by the trolls. Today, something similar happened to Farhan Akhtar, who just simply posted something on Instagram. And, it was such an innocent post. Someone was happy about Diwali. All he did was just celebrating Diwali, and he just posted something related to it on Instagram. And you won't believe the kind of comments that followed.
Okay.
So, what I am not able to understand is that why this selective outrage, why certain individuals have a right to, practice their religion, or maybe practice their individual, forget religion, practice their individual choice. But
Okay.
others don't have that.
Shoaib Jamai, please respond to that. Call out every troll, the one who trolls Virat Kohli, the one who trolls Muhammad Shami, but also the ones who troll Sara Ali Khan.
Absolutely, Savant. Gaurav, I am not afraid to criticize those hate mongers who spread hate on the social media. But if you see, the matter of the fact is that who are the trollers? They didn't have even 1 or 2 followers. They are unknown. They don't have any blue tick over there. Who are they? They are the unknown spaces. Maybe they are bots. Maybe they are someone from the BJP IT cell in the name of Muslims.
No.
Is that not
Gaurav,
possible?
can I intervene? I
But
absolutely
in the
disagree
case of
with
Virat
that.
Kohli, the Delhi Women Commission has taken a note. Delhi
One by
Women
one. Okay,
Commission
you
has
made a
taken
point.
this as a stone
Amber
of
and then
confidence.
Monica, respond.
Isn't that this is not comparable to the case of the Virat
So
Kohli
who decides
daughter.
whether it's
See,
comparable or
Sawan,
not?
I
Shoaib
believe
Jamai
that-
decides. Shoaib Jamai will decide in this country, or will courts of law decide, or will the police decide? Okay, Amber Zaidi, respond.
Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb,
No,
people
no,
who talk
Sawan,
about Ganga Jamuni
Gaurav,
Tehzeeb,
see,
Santi Virasat, and then
If you ask me about the basic principle of the Islam, monotheism is the basic principle of the Islam. If someone is an ardent follower of Islam and wants to believe in Islam, then the prostration and bowing down in front
One by
of a
one.
deity
Let Ambar
is a
Zaidi respond.
man-made
Let Ambar
creature
Zaidi respond.
against the basic principle of monotheism, and it doesn't go down well with the ethics of Islam. That's the simple.
Okay.
Simple.
Monica
logic
Verma
about
wants
that.
to respond. I want our viewers to speak one by one. I don't want a lecture on any one religion. I don't want a lecture on religion. No, Shoaib Jamai, samjho. Yeah, we don't want a lecture on religion. We want to know facts. We want to know facts on trolling of individuals and the selective outrage. The problem, Monica, the problem is the so-called online virtue police. There is a lot of virtue signaling and selective outrage and selective silence because it's a Sara Ali Khan, because a Sara Ali Khan is being trolled by certain people. Sannata. मुंह में दही जम गया लोगों के.
Imagine one of this person is on primetime TV and he literally has the guts to tell us what are the basic tenets of Islam, and he's saying that monotheism is something that we agree with. But what about other people? You know, they're daring to call that girl a kafir. So if you are believing in monotheism, what happens to other religions? Is not Islam compatible with a secular and a liberal modern democracy? Is this what this person is trying to tell us? Is he really taking us back to the medieval times? Are we really getting back to this debate? I mean, excuse me, but this is 2021. If Islam has to modernize and live in a secular country, then definitely these
and religion will not decide. Religion will not decide. It's the Constitution of India that will decide. And Shoaib Jamai, you know, that needs to be very clear. Okay, Ambar Zaidi wants to come in. Ambar, you wanted to respond. Whether Sara Ali Khan visits a temple or a mosque or a church or any other place, it's her choice.
In every debate, whenever we debate about any topic, you will hear one thing from this Shoaib Jamai guy. He say, we are living in a democracy. This is a democratic nation, and everybody has a right to express their views and this and that. But when it comes to point out such issues, he keeps his mouth shut. He is not talking about. He is not saying that trolling is un-Islamic. Dare you say that trolling is un-Islamic? You will not say anything against such people. And you were shouting your lungs out when Shami was trolled by fake and bots account from Pakistan. And you said Virat Kohli's daughter was threatened by rape threats. That is rightly so. And we also agree that
even raising a mosque.
You know, on the eve of Deepavali, on the eve of Deepavali, and especially on a day when a new record has been set in lighting diyas, let's hope there is light of knowledge. Let's hope and pray there is light of knowledge. And as we say, you know, Astoma Sadgamaya, take us from darkness unto light. Very, very important. I want to thank all my guests and I want to shift focus to the other big story.